signing up for GitHub is really important in this class. So if you click sign up for GitHub, there's a little link that says sign up for GitHub here. So if you click that, it brings you over to something like this. I'm just going to use my Google account to sign up for GitHub, and I'm in. So the next thing I'm going to do is go slide back to my schedule. And if you want, you can apply for a GitHub Education account here. So that's just by clicking the Join GitHub Education button, and you can start an application. This is optional. You don't have to do this. And for some of you, it's going to work great. And for some of you, it's going to ask you to maybe submit a ticket to further verify your account. So it's nice. It gives you a bunch of little perks. But you don't have to do that. Okay, cool. And the next thing we'll do is we're going to sign up for a Google Classroom. So the way to do that, the easiest way to do that is actually just to take a look at the first assignment. So this is assignment 1, and it's an ellipse composition. So use P5.js to create a composition using only black and white ellipses. Let me go ahead and we'll take a look at some of those. So here's an example here using P5.js. Here's another example using P5.js. And here's another one here. Cool. So the invite link for this is right up here at the top. So you can click that invite link, and it wants to connect you up to GitHub Classroom. So you could say, yes, sure, authorize GitHub Classroom. And then there's a bunch of identifiers here. So just find your LSU ID on the list of identifiers. Mine I made was called Derek Test. So I'm going to click that, and I'll accept this assignment. All right, cool. Once it's accepted there's this thing in blue here, and this is where we're going to store all of our creative code for the class. It also has a little assignment description down there as well. Okay, that's a lot of the basics as far as GitHub is concerned. The next video, I'm going to talk a little bit more specifically about how to get Visual Studio set up.